Welcome to ACT Notes Tutorials. My name is Professor Ryan, and I am going to give you a quick tutorial on the Capability Development Document, or what I like to call a CDD. What is a Capability Development Document? The Capability Development Document is a requirements document in the Defense Acquisition System. It specifies the operational requirements for a new system that will deliver the capability that meets operational performance criteria specified in the initial capabilities document. It outlines a militarily useful increment of capability with its own set of attributes and performance values, i.e., thresholds and objectives. The CDD identifies the operational performance attributes of the proposed system. The CDD is system-specific and applies to a single increment of capability in an evolutionary acquisition program. Each increment of a program will either have its own CDD or a separate annex on a master CDD. Key performance parameters are introduced in the CDD. The project cost will be included in the CDD as lifecycle cost or total ownership costs. When is the Capability Development Document developed? The CDD is prepared during the technology maturation and risk reduction phase. It is used to guide the next phase, the engineering, manufacturing, and development phase, by defining measurable and testable capabilities. The CDD must be validated and approved before the Milestone B decision at the development RFP release decision point. When is the Capability Development Document due based upon regulatory guidance? Regulatory, a draft CDD is required at Milestone A, a validated CDD is required at the development RFP release decision point and informs Milestone B. If there are no changes, a revalidated CDD may be submitted for the Capability Production Document required at Milestone C. Throughout the acquisition process, certain milestones and events require a sponsored approved draft or validated Capability Development Document. These entrance criteria are: Draft CDD, entrance criterion for the request for proposal release in support of the TMRR phase. Draft CDD, Milestone A, decision. Validated CDD, development RFP release decision point. Validated CDD, Milestone B, decision. Validated CDD, prior to EMD phase when Milestone B is not required. The Capability Development Document has a few required sections. These sections are: Operational Context, Threat Summary, Capability Discussion, Program Summary, Development Key Performance Parameters, and Key System Attributes, Other System Attributes, Spectrum Requirements, Intelligence Supportability, Weapon Safety Assurance, Technology Readiness Assessment, TMLPFP Considerations, and finally, Program Affordability. Other information pertaining to the Capability Development Document include: the Capability Development Tracking and Management tool is used to generate the CDD and submit it to the Knowledge Management and Decision Support System. The CDD provides traceability to previously approved requirement documents, key performance parameters, key system attributes, .EMLPFP analysis, and life cycle costs estimates. The CDD replaced the operational requirements document that was used under the old requirements generation system. And finally, the format for the CDD is found in Appendix A to Enclosure H of the Manual for the Operation of the Joint Capabilities Integration and Development System. Thank you for watching this tutorial on the Capability Development Document. For more information, please visit the ACT Notes webpage. Congratulations for finishing this tutorial and thanks for visiting ACT Notes.